hello. I'm waiting for GP to finish getting ready, but we are gonna go to Nico's birthday. We're at the party now, and tapos tingnan yung friend namin, hindi ko alam kung saan na naman siya pupunta, be. Kaganda, be. Parang artista. Thank you po. Para ka man. Kulang na naman po kami ngayon. So, kakain muna po ako. Kaya mo yan, Sam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang pati, maligayang pati, maligayang maligayang pati. May the good Lord bless you.
Bless you!
May the good Lord bless you.
Bless you!
May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you.
Okay guys, we're gonna tour Levi's house, apartment. This is the owner. Oh babe! Ay po siya! Pakiayos.
Sa mga pagkating
Bakit pa ganyan? Parang nanonood.
Liwanag yung font niya.
Oh, wow. Hello.
Let's see!
Okay, kunin natin mga labubos, guys. Labubo. Proud labubo.
Sorry, I'm running. Nagsasaing ako.
So cute! Brown! Pakita ako yung brown.
Ayun, o, nakabless yun.
Uy! Ang cute!
For real? Ano to? Custom lang? Custom ones?
I think so.
May nabibili dyan sa tabi ng ano, di ba?
Yes, ang gabi nung...
Ay, bibihisan mo siya?
Cheesecake.
Ay! House tour! Ang cute! That's good. Hi! Ano, bes? Akala ko ba di ka iinom? Pangilan mo na yan, be.
I'm strong to defend the
Ay. O, be, akala ko ba gumagawa? Gawa-gawa ng storya? Again, I forgot to make an outro from yesterday. We got home at like around 11:30 and then went
Ano yun?
to sleep right away. I'm making an outro. I forgot to do one yesterday. But we're going to church now. Should I show you guys where we're going? And then what we're doing today? Maybe. Yeah, we'll do that.
The impossible, amen? He is the God of the impossible. And I believe that this morning that whatever breakthrough you're believing for, that Jesus is the answer. He's the one. He's the way, the truth, and the what? He's the life. And Jesus today wants to meet with us and visit us. Amen.
Just because you think you want something or need it, God's going to give it the way you ask for it.
We are at Costco right now, just buying groceries so we can meal prep for the whole week. How are you doing? Say hi to the vlog.
Anna, are we done?
I am so shook. Fairlife is almost $40. This is so expensive now. I have to find an alternate for my protein drink now. So we are now on our way home after going to Costco. I'm probably gonna using ko yung mga pinamili and then I'll go to the gym, leave Athena at my parents' house so I can go to the gym and JP can work on AJ's car. Yeah, okay, bye.